I can still name it even though it's not a saved report. And then if that's the last one that I want to add, I can click on Save. If there's more of those reports, whether they're through Add New Report or Add Saved Report, I can select the next one that I want and just click on Add. Otherwise, if that's the last one, I can just click on Save. When you save a batch, it brings you right back to the Manage Batch Reports. And if I want to pull that up again, I can just click on Edit, and it brings up that exact batch. I can also delete anything that I want to delete. If I decide that I want to delete this inventory detail report, I can click on the checkbox and then just click on the button that says Delete Checked. Make absolutely sure that you don't click on this delete button down on the bottom. If you click on that delete button, it'll delete the entire batch. Just click on Delete Checked and that'll delete just the items that are checked. You can also clone a report. So if I wanted to select this particular report, I just click on it. Or I can just click on the checkbox and click on Clone Checked. So like so, to the left of this one, I'll just click the checkbox and click on the button that says Clone Checked. So now what it does is it puts that cloned item down at the bottom. And if I want to select it, I can click on it to select. It'll bring it down to the bottom, and I can change what I want to change about it. If you use the clone checked, I think you'll do that. You won't do that really with the saved reports. You'll do it more with adding a new report. If you haven't gone the route of saving the reports, you can go through here and just select the report, set it up how you want, and then go ahead and add it. And then you can clone that one. And then if it's a little bit different, select those options and save it. I would say my ultimate recommendation is doing it the way that I've shown you in that first step and going through the individual reports, naming it exactly how you want it to show up, then just come in here and add them through this Add Saved Report. This way, here on this list, you can see exactly what they are. Not just that it's a sales analysis report, but it's exactly how you named it, sales analysis and end-of-month supplier. Otherwise, if you do go through this route and do the Add New Report, all you're going to see is sales analysis. You're not going to see any other description. Now you can click on it and down below it'll show you what it is, what the selections are. But I think it's much easier to go where you save that report and on the screen you can see exactly what they are. And then the last part of it is actually running those batch reports when you want to. So at the end of the month we'll go to Reporting, we'll go to Saved and Batch Reports, and we'll go to Run Batch Reports. This will bring in a Run Batch Reports. It'll list all of your batches here, and if you just want to run the end of month reports you can click on Run, and that'll automatically run every report that we have in this batch. So you don't even have to think about it. It's all selected for you. You know what you're going to run. It's going to bring you right to the report history, and it will list all of those reports once they're finished. So that is how you do the saved and batch reports. Feel free if you have any questions at all. We have our support department here. We will also have help documents, and this webinar will be available at any point in time. We'll be glad to help you. Thanks.